How to record live video stream on Dacast. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can record live video stream on Dacast. So how do you go about it? The first step is to log in into your Dacast account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu displaying options like dashboard, live streams, videos, folders, expos, playlists, etc. So just go ahead to click on live streams. So on the live streams page, move to the top right side and then click on create live stream. Then you have to select how you would like to stream. Do you want to use the standard pass-through channel or do you want to use the HLS channel? Then once you've selected or you want to live stream using a pre-recorded video from Dacast, you can select any of this. Then click on create. So by clicking on create, you would wait for your channels to be created, and then you would have an option for you to select an encoder. So select the encoder, copy the encoder key, go to the software whose encoder you've selected, paste the encoder key, and then start streaming, and you can start streaming. And on the streaming platform, you will see an option for you to record. Okay, so select that and your live stream would be recorded. It is that simple, very simple. Just find your way to the create live stream option, click on create live stream, select standard pass-through, click on create, and then once you've created channel on the page, you will see your encoder key, copy it, paste it in the software that you intend to use. If it's the standard pass-through channel or if it's the HLS, all right, paste it in the software. And then once you've done that, so I selected HLS, and as you can see, it has worked, and this is the encoder setup. So this is the encoder key. So all you need to do is to copy the encoder key and then go to the software that you intend to use, paste it there, start your streaming, and click on record, and your streaming will start as well as your recording. And then once you are done, you'll be asked to enter in the description of your live stream here, the folder where you want the live stream to be stored or saved, and then upload images related to the live stream, and then save your live stream, and to be saved automatically on this website. So this is how you can record a live stream on Dacast. Thank you for watching and have a very good day.